Eggs are collected from hens and transported to the egg processing facility.
Eggs are washed to remove dirt and bacteria.
Eggs are washed to remove dirt and bacteria. Eggs are candled to check for cracks and imperfections. Eggs are candled to check for cracks and imperfections. Eggs are incubated to hatch.
Broilers hatch from eggs.
Broilers are brooded to grow.
Broilers are processed for consumption.
Processed broilers are packaged and distributed to consumers.
Poultry farming practices.
Farm equipment used in poultry farming.
Breeding program for poultry farming.
Vaccination program for poultry farming.
Biosecurity measures for poultry farming.
Biosecurity measures for poultry farming. Manure management for poultry farming.
Manure management for poultry farming. Pest control for poultry farming.
Pest control for poultry farming. Flock management for poultry farming.
Biosecurity measures for chickens.
Manure management for chickens.
Pest control for chickens.
Flock management for chickens.
Flock management for chickens. Vaccination program for turkeys.
Manure management for turkeys.
Manure management for turkeys.
Pest control turkeys.
Flock management for turkeys. Flock management for turkeys. Chicken feed production.
Turkey feed production.
Poultry health and wellness. Poultry nutrition and diet.
Poultry nutrition and diet. Poultry sanitation and cleaning. Poultry biosecurity measures.
Poultry farm equipment.
Poultry farming practices.
Poultry farming practices, focusing on health and wellness.
Poultry health and wellness. Poultry nutrition and diet.
Poultry sanitation and cleaning.
Poultry biosecurity measures.
Poultry farm equipment maintenance.
Poultry farm equipment maintenance and poultry farming practices and sanitation.
Poultry health and wellness programs.
Poultry nutrition and diet plans.
Poultry sanitation and cleaning procedures.
Poultry biosecurity measures and equipment.
Poultry farm equipment and maintenance.
Poultry farming practices and biosecurity.
Poultry health and wellness programs and nutrition.
Poultry sanitation and cleaning procedures and equipment.
Poultry biosecurity measures and equipment maintenance.
Poultry farm equipment and biosecurity measures. Poultry health and wellness programs and equipment.
Poultry health and wellness programs and equipment. Poultry sanitation and cleaning procedures and practices.
Poultry biosecurity measures and health and wellness.
Poultry farm equipment and sanitation.
Poultry health and wellness programs and biosecurity measures.
Poultry sanitation and cleaning procedures and equipment maintenance.
Poultry biosecurity measures and sanitation.
Poultry biosecurity measures and sanitation. Poultry farm equipment and health and wellness programs.
Poultry health and wellness programs and sanitation and cleaning procedures.
Poultry sanitation and cleaning procedures and biosecurity measures.
Poultry biosecurity measures and health and wellness programs.
Poultry farm equipment and sanitation and cleaning procedures.
Poultry health and wellness programs and biosecurity measures and equipment.
Poultry biosecurity measures and equipment and health and wellness programs. Poultry farm equipment and sanitation and cleaning procedures and biosecurity measures.
Poultry health and wellness programs and biosecurity measures and sanitation and cleaning procedures.
Poultry farm showcase.